Right, good morning everyone. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Morning Review on Saturday the 11th of March 2023. It's currently 8:50 a.m. in the UK. I hope you're all having a decent day wherever you are in the world. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing, dropping a like on the video to get me out to a wider audience, and any comments or questions that you may have, please feel free to leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I possibly can. Now, with that said and out of the way, let's start with the cryptocurrency markets. How we're looking. So we've got a market cap of 929 billion, which is down 0.03% over the last 24 hours. We've got a 24-hour trading volume of $95 billion. Bitcoin dominance is currently 41.9%, trading at just over $20,000. So it's up a little bit from yesterday. There has been a slight recovery over the last 24 hours. The main news today is that USDC has collapsed because of the Silicon Valley Bank failure. So we'll look at that shortly. Across the top 10, everything is down. Well, there's USDC. You can see it's currently trading at 0.89. It should be pegged to the US dollar at $1, but it's not. So it's down 10% today. It's made some slight recoveries. Nothing really up. Cardano's up slightly over the day. Solana's made some slight gains, so nothing of major interest. As for the biggest rise in the top 24 hours, it's Osmo, not something I'm aware of. It's up 8.4%. Quant, I'm sure you're all aware of that. That's up 7.21%. Other than that, there's nothing massive going on. So let's go and have a quick look at the charts to see how we're looking. So this is Bitcoin on the daily. You see we made a lower low yesterday, but we did pull back. We've pulled up slightly, but we pulled back again. It looks like we're going to go lower a bit further. Let's look on the hourly. I'm not going to go through every time frame. So it's sort of consolidating within this range between 20,700 and 19.6. So it's in like $1,000 range where it's chopping. It's looking like it's pushing to the upside slightly. There could be a long trade setting up there within the next couple of hours potentially, but nothing major. To me, it looks like it's going to be another down day. Normally weekends aren't a good time for pumps. It's like you've got institutional traders away. So let's go back to the daily and look at Ethereum quickly. Ethereum, very much the same picture of Bitcoin, only it's like recovering slightly better. We've pushed above the daily 100, but pulled back down again. Momentum is still negative. The histogram, the MACD and signal line are both below zero. Down to the hourly, we're both below the 50 and 100 daily hourly MA, trying to push above the hourly 50. It's rejected it a few times, so it's acting as resistance at the moment. Could we push through it? Potentially, but you know, the more you test it, the more times you tested them, the more the likelihood of you breaking it is. Momentum has switched to positive. The MACD and signal line are both going above zero, so Ethereum is looking in slightly better health than Bitcoin. Let me just check Bitcoin. Yeah, it is looking slightly better than Bitcoin today. XRP on the daily, how's that looking? Let's condense that slightly. So we're still within this 42.32, this 10 cents range. This appears to have been the least affected by the recent pullback. It made yesterday. It made a lower low yesterday. It was very much an indecisive day. It looks more of the same today. I don't expect XRP to do much today. It's still going to be, there ain't going to be many sellers in the market, buyers either, because everyone's waiting for the result of this SEC lawsuit. But there are news coming through the wires that could be coming to an end soon. So perhaps it isn't the time to accumulate, or just sit on your hands and see how things play out. Now, let's have a quick look at the hourly. Much of the same. It doesn't really tell a great story. It's just chop, chop, chop. There was a little sell-off. That was yesterday when everything else was selling off. So let's go and look at this USDC. So let's see, we've been stable at $1, and then this Silicon Valley Bank has failed basically. We've pulled all the way down as low as 84 cents. There has been some recovery. Now it's chopping around and it's hovering. Well, it's up to, let's get to the daily. We'll get a better idea of where it actually is. It's currently 96 cents, so it is recovering. There's a massive wick down. Could it close back up at $1 today? Potentially. But that will have sent more fear, uncertainty and doubt through the cryptocurrency market overall. It's a weird one, these stable coins collapsing. So Solana's looking quite good today. It's up 5%. It's like, I see this as a potential top 10 coin. I see Doge dropping out eventually. Solana getting back in the top 10. Polygon appears to be recovering slightly. So in conclusion, it's the weekend. Be very careful at the weekends. Mind you, there's going to be less manipulation within, excuse me, with institutional traders not at their desk, and it's just going to be left in the hands of retail to hold the fort for 2 days. So let's see how things play out for today. I think it's going to be a fairly flat day with a slight sell-off, but you never know. Expect the unexpected in the cryptocurrency market. And like I said yesterday, while we've got these prices, be greedy while others are fearful. And yeah, I wish you all a wonderful day. Thanks for stopping by. Please consider subscribing, dropping a like on the video, and any questions leave them down below. See you in the next video. Bye for now.